Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another cash stuffing video, and I just want to say thank you so much to all of my new subscribers and welcome back to everyone that's been subscribed to my channel. I'm still trying to get into my routine here and kind of get back on track from last month. So I'm just going to go ahead and hop right in. So today we're going to be cash stuffing $835. So this is the cash breakdown I took with me to the bank today. And then I did kind of go ahead and break down like what bills I want to put in each envelope. That way I hopefully don't have a disaster where I end up with like incorrect denominations. So we're going to go ahead and jump right in, and then off to the side I'm going to go ahead and be writing down balances in my little notebook. So we're going to go ahead and get started with our cash envelopes today. Just trying to find somewhere to put this. I'll just leave it off to the side here. Okay, so starting out with groceries. Groceries has some money left over, and you can see my envelope is already busting open here. So we have $6 left in groceries, and I am still putting the usual $120, but I'm having some like health issues where I may need to like go on a gluten-free diet or at least cut out some dairy. So we'll see if I end up having to up this later on, but for now we're going to keep it the same. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, and 20. So that was perfect. If any of you are like gluten-free or vegan, if you have any like favorite recipes, please let me know, because I'm really struggling with how I'm going to just change up my, lifestyle with food. On to car wash, and car wash is getting one $5 bill, so we're doing a 5. And I'm just gonna roll this over. I did take my car to get washed finally, but we have 15 in car wash now. Next up is dining out, and I have nothing left in here as usual. I am upping it this time to $85, and I'm still not even sure if that's going to be enough, just because I've either been like pulling from my allowance to pay for dining out. So we'll see if 85 works. So today that's going to be 20, 40, 60, 110, 70, 75. Hold on, I may have done this wrong already. Okay, so I'm actually needing to pull 2 5s and then 5 1s. I think 3, 4, 5. Let's double count this. So we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So again, this has to last me 2 weeks. Oh my gosh, what is up with all the ripped 5s lately? Okay, anyways, like I was saying, this has to last me 2 weeks. So I'm hoping that it works out. I am going on vacation next week, so I'm not going to be pulling from here for vacation. I'll be pulling from my travel envelope. So this should be fine, since technically I'll only be spending it like for 1 week instead of 2 weeks, since I'll be gone for most of the week next week. On to spending. So spending does have some leftover money. I actually do owe my boyfriend some money, so I think I owe him 25. So this I'm just going to set to the side. This is rollover. So I had 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So we're only going to be putting aside, I think, what is this, 11, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 to the side. And then this 25 is going to go to him. So I'll just put this back here. Okay, and then spending, I did lower this. I'm taking it down to 60. So we are going to do 20, 40, 50, 55, and then 5 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's double count. So, sorry guys, I keep hitting this little tripod. 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60 going to spending. We did go out a little bit more, but I think our version of summer fun right now is just like going somewhere for happy hour and getting drinks. So that's why I'm thinking maybe I should just like adjust like my dining out envelope instead of spending, since I didn't do like a summer envelope. But we'll see how it works out. That's the thing with budgeting. I guess you kind of just have to figure out what's working, what's not working, and then change it for the next time. So the last cash envelope that goes in my wallet is for household, and we're gonna put $10 in here, and that's gonna be a 5 and 5 ones. So we actually have $12 left. So 5 and then 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we now have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22 in household. I did have quite a bit of stuff to pick up for household this past week, so that's why a lot of it has been spent. But that is it for my cash envelopes. So now we can go ahead and move on to my sinking funds. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this binder here. And we are going to be starting off with wish list. And wish list today is getting $10. So wish list now has 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 220, 230, 235, and 240. So 240 in wish list. Okay, next we have gifts, and gifts is getting $10 as well. I have my best friend's birthday coming up next month, so I'm trying to bulk this up because she's thinking about maybe doing a Disneyland trip. So that's going to be very expensive. So we have, you know what, I'm going to take this 10 out and grab a different one. Actually, it doesn't matter because the only thing I have left to stuff is sinking funds anyway, so I guess I'm just gonna have to deal with rip bills this time. So we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, and 148. So 148 in gifts, and I don't even think that's enough for the ticket. So 148. All right, next up is beauty, and beauty is getting $10. I don't think I'm gonna do anything like beauty wise before my trip. I was thinking about maybe getting my eyebrows done, and I'll most likely do my nails myself, so we'll see. I have 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, and 67. So 67 in beauty. All right, next is clothes, and clothes is getting $5. I did try to purchase some new clothes this month, but unfortunately nothing like fit me properly, so I didn't end up keeping anything. So we have 50, 70, 90, 95, 100, 101, and 102 in clothes. I guess that's the thing with online shopping. It's hit or miss. You never know if things are gonna fit you properly. So where is my clothing line? Here we go. All right, and then to roll over, I'm going to be adding 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, $17. I don't know if I wanna leave this in rollover or if I want to maybe put it in my adventures envelope, but we'll see. That is it for this binder. Moving on to my second binder. So we have adventures, and adventures is getting $5. So we now have 5, 10, 15, 20. Oh, I counted this wrong. Let's start off. I'm pretty sure that was 60. So 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So $60 in adventures. All right, and on to this bad boy. So we have travel, and I'm adding basically majority of my money to travel because I just anticipated this trip being canceled but it's not. We're still going. So I'm going to be adding $430 to travel. I'm probably going to deposit most of it and then just use a credit card that doesn't have any foreign transaction fees because we are going out of the country, and then maybe just use the larger bills that I'm about to put in here to do a bill swap. I don't think I would be very good at doing that on camera, so I'm probably going to do that off camera. But that's going to be all of these hundreds. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then how else did I want to do this? 4 5s. So 5, 10, 15, 20. And then 10 ones, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yes, and that's because I plan on taking some of the smaller bills with me, maybe just like $100 or $200 for some spending money. So let me organize this really quick. So let's see what we've got in travel. This is looking very thick. So we have 1, 2, 3, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 600, 605, 10, 15, 20, 25, so 625, 626, 27, 28, 29, 30, 631, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, so 639, oh my goodness, 639. So I hope I don't spend all of this money because my boyfriend and I would really like to go to Hawaii next year for our 5-year anniversary. So that's kind of what I was hoping to be saving towards, but I'm totally grateful to even be taking a trip with my family next week. So we'll see. Again, I hope I have a lot of money left over, so we'll see in the next cash stuffing how I did with spending. All right, on to my other favorite. So we have Christmas, and Christmas is getting $60. Oh, you know what? I actually wanted to add $3 to here to make it an even number because I think I had a weird number of Christmas. Yes, I ended Christmas with $397. So I wanted to make it $400. So I'm actually just going to take 3 ones from here, from rollover. I forgot to do that earlier to make it an even number. Okay, so $60 going to Christmas. I am so excited that fall is almost here, you guys. That is like my favorite season. My birthday is in October, so if I have any other fellow Libras out there, please let me know. I'm excited. I despise summer weather. I think it's just miserable, especially because our house is not insulated, so it just stays really, really hot all the time. So in Christmas, we now have 51, 52, 53, 50, 70, 90, 410, 420, 430, 440, 450, 455, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60. So we now have $460 in Christmas. I'm so excited. This is my first year ever saving for Christmas. So we'll see. I'm hoping I can maybe get up to 1,000 because I have a lot of kids to shop for in the family. And I feel like kids just want really expensive things nowadays. So we'll see. Holidays is getting $5. I'm hoping to do some fun things for the fall time, like pumpkin patch or something. So we now have 30 in holidays. All right. Next up, we have home. So this is just for like some home decor and some small things that we want to do around the house. And home is getting $10 today. So we now have 20. Slowly but surely, because stuff to redecorate is very expensive. So we have 20 in home. Next is subscriptions, and I know my Amazon Prime is due in September, so I need to get the ball rolling on this. We're going to be adding $10, and that's 20, 40, 60, 70, and 75. 75 in subscriptions. All right, and that's pretty much it. This is just another envelope that I made. I was supposed to go to Paris for my graduation trip, but with COVID and everything, that's not happening. So I just left that money in savings and I added it to my emergency fund. So I'm gonna kind of start from scratch here. We'll see when I get to stuff this, but it's definitely not going to be today since I have a trip already on the books for now. But that is pretty much it for my cash stuffing today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have anything fun planned for this weekend or a trip coming up, please let me know where you're going in the comments down below. I will be spending a couple of days in Mexico with my family. So I'm just looking forward to just spending some time unwinding and, you know, just getting all that family time in. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to leave me a comment down below or like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.